Hello and welcome to my cooking channel where I share Malaysian and other recipes from my kitchen to yours. Today I'm sharing a Chinese recipe. It is oyster sauce chicken. I hope you enjoy the video. I've set out the ingredients in the description box below. So shall we start cooking? The ingredients I have for the oyster sauce chicken are: firstly, 300 grams of skinless, boneless chicken breast. I'm going to slice the chicken breast into strips for the dish. As you can see, I am cutting the chicken breast across the grain. Cutting meat this way shortens the fibers of the meat, and this makes the meat tender and easier to chew. I'm also cutting the chicken on the bias, that is at an angle. I'm cutting on the bias so that there is more surface area for the sauce to penetrate. Cutting the chicken in this manner will give us juicier and more flavorful chicken. Let's now put the chicken aside on a plate. I have 5 cloves of garlic that I'm chopping up to put aside for the moment. Now for some spring onions. I have 6 stalks of spring onions here. Let's cut the ends off first and keep them aside. I'm cutting the spring onion leaves into 1-inch lengths. One green capsicum at your service. I'm cutting the capsicum into squares. Let's keep the capsicum on a plate. 1 medium-sized onion that I'm going to slice into thick pieces. The onion will serve as a vegetable in this dish. Half a carrot, cut into half and sliced. These vegetables are so colorful and pleasing to the eyes. And now for the stir-fry sauce. Half a teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. The Chinese cooking wine is optional. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon white pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of cornflour, now mix everything together in 2.5 tablespoons of water. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil heating in the wok. The garlic and the spring onion bulbs are first to go in. Let's fry them until they turn fragrant. I'm adding the chicken pieces into the wok now and stir frying all the ingredients. Now turning the pieces over for even cooking. The vegetables are now going in. First the carrots, the green capsicum and the onion follow closely. Let's now stir to combine. Now that the vegetables have gone in, let's fry this for 4 minutes on a high flame. I'm adding a little bit of water to prevent the chicken being stuck to the bottom of the wok. Let's continue frying. Four minutes are up. Let's add the stir-fry sauce. I'm now adding the last ingredient, that is the chives, after a couple of minutes. I've just turned the flame off. Succulent pieces of chicken are coated with this glistening and flavorful stir-fry sauce. With crunchy vegetables thrown into the mix, this dish promises to be a gastronomic delight. As always, my friends, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know what you think of it. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.